How to enable or disable keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the Edit tab where your clips are arranged on the timeline. Click on the clip where you want to use keyframes and then open the inspector panel on the top right. If the inspector isn't visible, just click the inspector button to enable it. Next, scroll down in the inspector to find properties like zoom, position, opacity, and other settings you want to animate. To enable keyframes, click the small diamond icon next to the property. It will turn red, indicating that keyframes are now active for that setting. Move the playhead to a different time position, change the value, and the new keyframe will automatically be added. If you want to disable keyframes for a property, simply click the same diamond icon again. It will turn gray and no new keyframes will be added from that point. Disabling keyframes also stops any animation for that property unless the existing keyframes are manually removed. To view and manage all your keyframes more clearly, click the keyframes button in the top left marked with a diamond icon. This reveals the keyframe timeline where you can adjust or delete individual keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.